So hey there everybody, and welcome to not the Airstream. Right now I am in a warehouse downtown, and so things aren't going to be massively changing. I'm still working full-time from the Airstream, but there are times when you need a little more space. And for the work that Greg and I are going to be doing in the next couple of weeks, we needed some more space. So I happen to know somebody who has a warehouse downtown and had some space. So we've made some arrangements to utilize that space for a little while. So you'll still be seeing lots of stuff from inside the Airstream. Now, number one, you're probably weirding out going, why is Rich hiding behind the MacBook Pro here? And, well, there's a good reason. This is an autonomous desk, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this down. Hey, there I am. So pretty exciting. Just bringing it down, there we go, to a level that I'm more comfortable with, and there we go, we're bringing the Blue Yeti up. So, got a cool green screen back here. I've also got seamless white set up for this, and over the next few weeks, we're going to be adding to another channel that you may or may not know about that I've got set up. It's called AZ Drone. So, we actually own the domain name azdrone.net. And Greg, who will be joining me probably tomorrow to test this whole setup out. Greg is a certified flight instructor. He has run aviation training programs throughout the U.S., so he's done it in more than one place. And it's Greg's fault that I started flying drones again, so I'm just going to put it right out there and go ahead and blame him. Well, not really blame him. Flying drones is a lot of fun, and the applications for drone work are just growing by the day. So we've got several areas that we would like to work and develop in, and we are actually talking to several potential clients about some drone work. Now, this doesn't mean that the web work goes away. I've still got ongoing maintenance customers. We're actually in talks with a potential new customer. And I've got a couple other inquiries that I haven't dealt with yet because I've been trying to get this going. So in the last video podcast, you probably saw me playing around in here. And then, by the way, you probably saw the beginning of this. I have never, ever in my life claimed to be mechanical, okay? So when it comes to power tools and things, I'm not your guy. If you're talking about electrical systems and telecommunication switches and, Cat 5 cabling and, telecom cabling, I'm your guy. I can do that. But give me a screwdriver or a power screwdriver and somebody a mile away is going to get hurt by me. So it's better not to have me constructing things. And yet here I go. I actually put the autonomous desk together and it does raise and lower. Pretty exciting. So we are planning on doing a fair amount of video for AZ Drone. So it seemed reasonable to me to go ahead and grab this autonomous desk up. By the way, I guess here's an impromptu product review. So I've been looking around for standing desks for a while. I took a look at a lot of manufacturers, and I just wasn't sure. I just wasn't sure who to go with. But I went through Autonomous's website several times. I found their pricing really competitive, and it looked like a good product. So I went ahead and ordered the autonomous desk last week. Now, what's really interesting is part of the desk shipped from New Jersey via FedEx, and part of the desk shipped from California. So I got the tabletop in the other day, and that's when I was in here messing around with the green screen and playing Weatherman. So I got the top, I was really excited, and no bottom. So the legs just came in today. So I raced down, I grabbed the package, and I ran down here. And so for like a skilled person who's good with mechanical equipment, they probably would have slapped this sucker together in 15 minutes. Since we're talking about me here, it was more like an hour, at least an hour. So you've probably seen some sped up video, and you probably saw me pondering. At one point, I turned the GoPro off because I said, I don't know how to, make smoke come out of my ears in Final Cut. But if I could, that should have been the scene. Just me puzzling and pondering over, well, which way does this bracket go and what screw am I supposed to use? So if you ever see me doing drone flight or web work, know that you're in good hands. If you see me going by you with a screwdriver, run. You're going to be seeing a lot more of this, and like I said, please don't panic. I'm still going to be doing a lot of work from the Airstream. The web work is still going to be done from the Airstream. We're just utilizing this space so that we can do some videos. And by the way, if any of you have taken my class on WordPress for Beginners and the X theme on udemy.com, the new intermediate class is going to be coming out very soon. So I have been working on it, and I'm going to use this space to finish that video off. So I'm really excited about that. And behind that one, there's probably going to be one more advanced WordPress and X theme classes coming up probably in the next couple of months, since we've got the space and we've got some room to really work on screen. This makes things a lot easier. You will still be seeing a lot of videos from the Airstream workspace, I promise. So don't panic. Don't think we're going away from the Airstream. But for business purposes, we needed a little bit of space, and the space has absolutely worked out. So big thanks, Ida, and I'm sure all you guys will meet Ida sooner or later.